Hi loves, I am back with another unboxing. We're continuing on with my birthday goodies month, and this time we are doing Louis Vuitton. Now I am so excited for these items. I was able to acquire a very hotly wanted item. I was able to acquire a pre-loved piece, and I was also able to acquire an item that will set the tone for my new year. If you are interested in seeing what I've gotten, continue on watching. So of course, we already know how the receipt works. These are the receipts I've gotten for my purchases right here. And the first item I'm going to unbox, quote unquote unbox, is my pre-loved piece that didn't originally come with the Louis Vuitton. I got it from Fashion File, and I was so excited that I used it already. So this is why it's not a true unboxing. I just found an old dust bag from Louis Vuitton. It actually came in this piece, and because I used it, I cut the little tag that, you know, that solidifies that you are keeping the bag. So what I got was this right here. And it came in perfect condition. Of course, it's a pre-loved piece, and it's my first made in USA piece. And you're probably wondering, what on earth is this? Is this a mini pochette? No, this is not a mini pochette. This is a mini pochette. This isn't. What this is an insert to the bucket bag. So this is the bucket bag pouch, and you guys, I was so ecstatic when I found this version, because I'm so used to seeing the version that resembles the toiletry 15 case. This one right here, this is a very rare piece, and it's actually slightly bigger. Look at that. It's actually slightly bigger than the original mini pochette, and I love it because if you have an iPhone, a bigger size iPhone, it should be able to fit this. Unfortunately, I don't have a plus size iPhone. I still have my 10. And without the case, the 10 can fit this with some items in here. But with the case, the 10 can absolutely fit this with items in it. So this is the mini pochette, quote unquote, the mini pochette that I am dreaming of. And this is going to be the closest thing to, you know, the mini pochette from the multi pochette accessoire, which honestly I did not like because of that leather tab. So this right here, it was like it was made for me. It was meant for me, and it was made for me. And I feel so, you know, honored to even have gotten this piece right here. It honestly, I even would suggest that Louis Vuitton just discontinue this size and upgrade to this size as the standard mini pochette piece, because let's be honest, all of our phones are huge, and it's really a disservice to get a purse this size and we can't even fit our devices, you know. And if you saw my video on the XMas, on my XMas unboxing, I stressed that I'm old school, and that still rings true. I'm the type that likes to keep my phone in my bags. I don't always have my phone in my hand. I want that option to be able to put my phone in my small purses. So this size was a dream come true. And not only so, it's so reminiscent of the regular size pochette accessoire, where you can remove this strap and add a different strap, unlike this. It's like I feel I'm just like, you know, at a loss of words, because this is literally the bag or SLG that, you know, I've been dreaming of in terms of, you know, what I would consider to be a mini pochette. Again, this bag, it was, you know, listed as the bucket pouch pochette, I believe, and it's gonna be ridiculously hard to find this specific piece, because one, it's rare, and two, your likelihood of, you know, finding this type is slim to none. You're going to only find the bucket, you're only going to find the toiletry style bucket pouch. You're not really going to find this style, and if you do, honey, you better snatch it up. I didn't spend a ridiculous amount of money for this. I think I spent around like what, $5 something for this, which is a really great deal when you think about how much this size is going for on the resale market and how rare it is to find this specific piece. This will be a forever item for me. It is definitely not for sale. And just for reference, the date code is April 4th, 2004. So it's it's about like how many years old now? It's definitely, you know, almost 20 years old, and you know, it's a teenager. Anyways, this is this item right here, and let's look at the other items. So this piece right here, I kind of hinted at what it might be, and I said it will set the tone for my new year, and it is this cute little agenda, and it fits my agenda PM right here. This is my first Louis Vuitton agenda book, and I got, I think, the one with the like the full set. It is like the cutest little thing, right? And I was able to order this online when it first came out, and this is my current agenda book. I only got a handful of inserts, which you can find on Etsy. I have my base pen. So it comes with a variety of different features, and it has really cute animation pieces of Vivienne for each month. It also comes with two things of stickers, which unfortunately doesn't have hole punches. I guess it's meant for you to slide it in your slip pocket of your PM agenda book. But I think this is really cute. Again, I'm very old school when it comes to a lot of the things in my life. And I really like to jot things down. I really love to write. I really love agenda books and stationery. So this right here, I will find a lot of use for this. And I'm really excited to get a size for my PM because I've been using it as like a extra wallet, but now I can use it for its intended purpose. So last but not least is the item that I am so excited to unbox. And this right here, I got it at a time where it was actually difficult to get, and I'm pretty sure it's still a little bit more difficult to find this item, but I've seen a couple I've seen it a couple times online since I purchased it, and I was on the waiting list for this. And it's packaged nicely because my essay was there to make it look pretty. And this is what I got. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is my first Christmas animation piece. And what really spoke to my heart was the very fact that not only does it have a cute Vivian, but it's in rose ballerine with a rose ballerine interior. Okay, you guys, it was the rose ballerine interior for me. And had they released the monogram version, I would have gotten that. I don't care if I have 5011 pochettes. Okay, if it has rose ballerine, I'm getting it. Okay, rose ballerine is my favorite shade of pink from Louis Vuitton, and you know, I love pink in general. That's my favorite color, but it's that rose ballerine that always gets me. And what really got to me was this. Yep. This right here is a picture worthy moment. It's, you know, it was a match made. Of course, anytime I'm wearing this, I'm probably gonna have this. But yes, I am happy. Oh my gosh, I forgot one more item that I got, and it was this right here. This right here is it's quite hard to find. And when I first saw this, I thought it was gonna be the same size as the micro pochette, but it is not. It is its own size. Just like this right here is the in-between size as my pochette accessoire and my mini pochette. This right here is the in-between size of my mini pochette and my micro pochette. So this is my micro pochette, and this is the wardrobe trunks key pouch, and it's, you know, bigger. So I'm going to make this an everyday piece for me. I love that it's monogram and it's made in Spain, and it's in really great condition. I got it from Yogi's Closet. No. I got it from a seller who got it from Yogi's Closet, and it was a great price. And I have been stalking this piece for a very long time. I found it on eBay and I made that purchase, and I am at pochette accessoire bag piece basically until I get a rose ballerine pochette accessoire item specifically or especially in monogram. I don't know if I'm going to get any more pochette accessoires unless it's a damier azure original size. For the record, this is all the pochettes that I own. I have my 2 micro pochettes right here, my key pouch from the wardrobe trunks collection, my mini pochettes. I have the Christmas animation 2020. I have the original damier, and I have the original monogram piece. And this is the bucket pouch pochette. And this is my original pochette accessoire. This right here, these I got in 1 year. I've been quite naughty, but you know, if I have the opportunity, I'm going to take it. I'm just really blessed and fortunate that I was able to grow and expand my collection into what it is. And I definitely do intend on making a video on me making these items into a crossbody and a waist bag. So stay tuned for that. As far as Louis Vuitton goes, these are all the items that I've gotten. I do have a little bit more unboxings to go, so stay tuned for the next video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate you, your support as I grow my channel. You know, I do this for fun. I do this for the love of luxury things. I am not I am not like really gung-ho and crazy with getting every single collection ever released. No, I just buy things that I like. So I won't have a whole lot of unboxing videos, but when I do, I like to make it count. Anyways, I hope you all have a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever, wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.